Awesome, awesome. Okay, so we're streaming on YouTube. Hello, happy Thursday to you. This is Dr. Greg again. I hope you got to see Bulls versus Bears, the weekly global forex forecast, and I hope you got a big bang out of that. We already see some of my forecasts come to being right now, and so we'll talk more about that. But we're going to trade. This is a trading show. This is not a teaching or a analysis show that we actually take action in the market. So I'm just going to set up the recording so we can have it accessible. So if you want to, our VIPs will be able to view it when it's made available. And people on Asia. Oh, okay, that's all I asked. Okay, well, fantastic, guys. How you guys doing? Doing great. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll go get started in prayer. I'd like to start off all our sessions with prayer. And we need all the help we can get, right? And we get help from the man upstairs, the God upstairs. Heavenly Father, we just thank you for this day and for all the things that you have bestowed upon us, our health, our life, the breath in our lungs. This is the day that you have made. We rejoice to be glad in it. And we thank you, Father God, for opening the eyes of our understanding. We may look at the charts and find winning opportunities. Thank you for giving us a spirit of excellence, a spirit of wisdom. And we just thank you for your Son, the Lord Jesus Christ. And bless everyone under the sound of our voice. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay. Awesome, awesome. All right. Let's go ahead and share the screen and let's get to look for some trading ideas. Let's go hunting. Let's go happy hunting. We were hunting this morning. Got up about 3 o'clock in the morning. I was trading. I was crushing dollar yen with my friend Keelan. Keelan is a fantastic new trader. He's not particularly new, but he's been around the block a little bit. But nice to see him using Elliott Wave and finding great trading opportunities. Okay, and remember, this is going to be public, okay, guys? So you know the routine, right? The indicators will be displayed, but we won't draw any attention to them okay. So we're just going to focus on price action today, and our the Steve Allen indicator. I love this indicator, right? I was helping me out too. Let me go ahead and share the screen, and entire screen number. Give me a number 2 in the chat box when you can see it, right? So yeah, we had this. So this is where, this is the sweet spot here, wave 2. Yeah, nice big. This is the dollar yen, and this was around 6:30 in the morning. Yeah, so 6:30 Eastern time meant I was up at 3:30 in the morning, right? Yeah, and luckily I had to go to the bathroom, and that's what I woke up. I said, let me go ahead and take a look at the charts. Sure enough, we were right here, nice little buy zone, a nice little wave 2 pullback, got long, and it meandered around from 59.45. We got all the way up to 59.84, right? The next chart will show you what transpired after that. And so that's the wave 2, and we made it to our target. Actually, was here. We actually made it to 10 pips beyond that, 59.84, right to the button, right? In fact, the 100% expansion was 59.84, and so that was perfect. And then guess what? Our friend, Mr. President, Mr. Donald Trump, decides to give Iran some extra time to negotiate a peace, and therefore the dollar sold off profusely, the yen rallied, and everything went topsy-turvy in a in Trump fashion. I remember the Trump tweets from the first presidential from the 45 session, right? Okay, let's go to my market heat map and let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. We'll see what's popping, what's dropping in the market. Oh, what's going to log in, right? All right, let's try this again. My market heat map. And we're going to check the economic calendar just to see if there's anything on for this week. But if you don't have my market heat map, you can go to the front. Let's go up to the front here. Absolutely no charge. Go to mymarkheatmap.com and just scroll down. And you have one of the heat maps there. Dollar Swiss, dollar CAD, dollar yen got whacked, but it's still up, relative speaking. Pound, Aussie, and Kiwi are in the soft spots and look like they were showing a little bit of life. But it's Friday in Asia, so good morning, Asia. And I see. So let's go ahead. We look at our economic calendar just to check the same thing going on Thursday, and we have nothing. I'm going to go to the medium-term elements as well, just to see if some medium-term Australian data does not miss us. We don't miss it. Okay. So nothing's going on. We do have some UK consumer confidence at 8 o'clock, which is going to be interesting. Negative 19. It's going to be worse than negative 24. Okay. I hope that comes in better than expected on UK retail sales. Okay. So nothing. Okay. So technical levels, right? Let's go ahead and check the news and see what's going on. And again, we have Trump says he will sign an executive order to immediately pay TSA agents. Okay. That's going to be very helpful to the TSA, who's gone 2 weeks. So that's breaking news. I want to see there was deadline of April 6th, right? And let's go ahead. We have, look, Dow futures are up. The futures are up. The future looks bright, guys. The Dow futures, people say, well, Greg, you trade Forex. Why do you care about the stocks? Well, guess what? You need Forex. You need money to buy stocks, right? So if money is going into stocks, they are probably coming out of the dollar because you buy stocks with dollars, right? So that's the thing there. All right. We have the Dow Jones Industrial Average down a full percent. S&P was down 1.75%. NASDAQ down 2 3/8. And also we have the Russell 2000 down. And our VIX is spiking, right? So that's our fear index. Even though we're getting this kind of news, stocks futures rise. Trump extends the Iran negotiation deadline. Okay, so that's big news, right? So we might see a risk on type of tone there. Well, let's check on the let's check market sentiment. I mean, so many people are short pound yen, pound Aussie, euro pound, CAD yen. The usual suspects are there, and dollar yen has lots of people shorting it as well. We might be able to catch a dead cat bounce on dollar yen, actually. In fact, let's go to our charts. Okay. And we got a nice little 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio there from that point, from that wave 2 entry. We're able to get a 5-to-1 risk to reward on that, which is pretty cool. Okay. But you know what? I want to say this. So I'm going to go to another chart. We're going to use, let's do Pepperstone. I used to work for Pepperstone, Australian broker. Nice broker. They don't take US anymore. But look at that spike, right? And then the rebound, right? So we had our 3, 4, 5, and our ABC was very quick. And we have a 1 and a 2, a 1 and a 2, and a 3 and a 4. Okay. Sing it, guys. Got a little my quartet. McLeod's Trader Barbershop Quartet, right? All right. I feel pretty good today. Let's go ahead. Good night's sleep and lots of water. Took a blood test and they say, you're dehydrated, Greg. Well, I live out in the desert. I got closets full of water. You need to drink more water. Drink more water. In fact, I got water here. No, it's not vodka. It's water. I got to drink 7 of these bottles a day. 120 ounces? Are you kidding me? All right. Dollar yen. Let's go here. Oh, don't. You know what? I have too many tabs open, as you can see. I'm going to start shutting some of these sectors down. Close. Oof. I'm going to pop along here on dollar yen. Okay. Oh, wow, that was a really long. I think we're going to fill the gap. I think we're going to fill the gap. So long at 59.65, and we've got some long wicks there. I probably don't want to be. My stop is probably going to be behind. I'm going to have like a 4 pip stop, 4.5 pip stop, 5 pip stop. Risk 400 to make 800. That's a 2 to 1, right? Divide in half, 415. 415, right? That's a pretty good stop. All right. All right, we're in the green. Let's do this thing, right? Is that supposed to work? I guess. All right. You know, the long US dollar, 159.65, stop at 59.59. Looking to a move for 59.79. So it boils up to be 14 pips. Okay, 14 pips. 14 pips is a good scalp. Whether it's a dollar a pip, $14 in a couple of minutes is not bad. Or it could be $140 if you trade a 100K or a standard lot. Oh, but the dollar yen is not a dollar a pip. It's 69 cents, I believe. So you say right at the 70 cents, 70 on 14, like 98. Well, it's right there, right? $8.31. $8 and the $83.10 for a 100K lot. Let's take the 0 off, right? It's roughly, and I don't know why this thing is not loading. All right, there we go. Wait, no. Okay, let's do it. Let's move.
Bye.
And if we want to see if these long wicks were possibly, let me move this down a little bit. That's a long wick. Like why come I can't find it? Find the bottom because I'm not there yet. Are we there yet? No, not yet. Okay. Oof. I may be cheating myself. The 61.8% expansion target takes us to 59.87, and that would be a 22 pip target, right? Or 88, 23 pips. 23 pips is still right. Good payday. For those of you who are Elliotticians, if this was the alternative count is this is A, this is B, we get another C drop that goes lower than 59.33, right? However, if we finish I think we did. We went to a 1 minute chart. We could probably see that we completed our ways. Probably let's try a 15-second chart. Wow, look at all those. It looks like a porcupine. Right. I'm going to take these off. Okay. Right. Oof. Look at that. Reset chart view. Okay. All right. So, wow, look at that. Look at that drop. That was so fast. Boom. You saw the opposite thing happened with the British pound and the euro, the Aussie. They did the opposite thing. So this is our 5 big loop, and then we go. Oops, I'm the one that's giving it away, right? Air 1, beer 2, choppy 2, complex 2. We have simple 4, and then we should see an expansion for 3. Should be huge, right? But we might have to wait. And if you see something, say something. If you do see another pair or something moving, where is you? Where? Okay, there you are. Okay. If you do see something, you can pop in the chat box. Okay. Um, 65 by 66, 66, 66. Are you being facetious? Those are some tight spreads. You kind of like you can't get a. There we go. Look at that. You couldn't get floss between those teeth. 65, 66 by 66, 6 by 67, 0. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that wasn't nice. Oh, I'm on 15 seconds, right? I'm gonna go up to a minute. You were this wonky wave 2 kind of stuff there. We are high at 59.77, low of 59.60. Again, we have narrow spread, 59.65 by 69.65. That is really, really tight. Let's go to gold, okay? And let's see what's going on there. Higher time frame. Gold dollar index is kind of droopy there. I'm going to switch that to gold as well. All right. What we got going on there? We got sell on the 15 minute. Okay, I'm going to put my buddy back on there. My buddy. Remember that when they had guys with dolls? Hey, you can dress him up. You can put his pants on. Okay, that's what I got yesterday. I don't have it. I cleared. Why was I cleared I cleared my cache, which was a pain in the butt. I kept my search history, but all my passwords and stuff, I had to go into Google, go to settings, and I cleared out the cookies, and so I didn't have a problem with it. But yeah, don't click that robot thing. I need to probably have somebody who has attached a malicious code to that website that when you visit, it pops on your computer and then puts that little captcha there. I don't have a captcha on that website. See, I had no issue. But don't hit that captcha though. All right, let's go back. All right. Alrighty then, gold and in their hills. You know, Are you guys bullish or bearish gold? Let's take an informal poll, especially if you're out there on YouTube. Tell me where you're from, what's trading. Your messages should pop up in our. They should pop up in our stream. But I'm going to check because sometimes I don't hit that button. And let's go to my channel. See who's there. It pop up in our. Okay. And chat. Howdy. Okay. And thumbs up there. Okay, we got gold breaking out. I'm going to take a shot at long at 4,397 spot 52, and we're going to put a stop loss. Wow, $1,000 stop loss. Nice, nice. All right, and to take profit, we're going to go back to the old high. There we go. There we go. From entry, profitable from entry, right?
Bye.
Come on. Trend line break, color change. Let's go. $10. Well, minus $45. Okay. All right. That's over there. What's going on over here? We got to sell a big ugly seller on 15 minute, didn't we? Notice that. All right. Gold is we do have a slightly rising 1 minute trend. Yeah, downward trend line was broken at the buy signal. Let's plot a Fibonacci expansion again. We're long dollar yen. Oh, gold. We're long gold, right? Also long dollar yen too. I think we might be stopped out. Oh no, we switched so we wouldn't. I didn't want to get rid of all my cool drawings. There we go. 100% expansion at 44.06. I might want to maybe take a safe exit at 44.06.35. That would be my safe target. It also represents all of this congestion back here too. There's a confluence of all this, all at the same area, right? Majority of the junk is there, so I feel safe taking a profit right there and bailing on it. All right. If you're on YouTube, let me know where you're from. Oh, James Appleton. Hey, man. Nice to see you. Hi, James. All right. right. All right. We're long gold. Gold in them there hills. Go west, young man. Or I tell it, go north. Go York. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Currently trade 4,400. We're at the whole number, round number there, 4400. See if we can close with 400, roll into 4406. We're at the 618. He rarely talked about 618 expansion. I could take profit at the expansion, or I could just but I'm a little greedy. I want to see that 100% expansion, which is basically we'll call it an equal wave pattern, where we take the height of the first move, right? Measure that out, clone it like a sheep there, get the duplicate, take that line up to the top, from the pullback, and the pullback takes us to right there, right? 100% expansion from that low. But it's pulling back. We should have took it there. It also forms an ABC. Ooh, let's take a look at our dollar yen. Our dollar yen is on Pepperstone, right? All right. Hey, we're up $50. Ooh, we were probably up more. No. Oh, no. Oh, let's get rid of that. That's how you do partial lots. And where is our? Wow. Ooh. Dollar yen getting hit with gold at the same time. So where do we put our? Oh, okay. Take profit? No. That's for 1 unit. I must have a really far away. There it is, right there. I think we just skip. If we could scalp back up to the old high, but I've curbed my enthusiasm thinking it's going to go all the way up there like that, right? Probably not. But I tell you what's moving now. It's my pound dollar. Oof. Train leaving the station too. Wow. Okay. The old high is at 1.3339. Okay. Let's go back here. Where is our meeting group? Where's the chat? Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Predictive function. Oh, gold. Gold is coming back. There's gold. Pushing back up again. Let's go back to that 1 minute. I was moving this up like that. I'm going to get rid of this. We already know what the 100% expansion is. 290, 292. Okay, let's Drop that down. Drop this down. Drop that down. I can't. More. There we go. There we go. Yes. Keep on going. Climb the wall of worry. There we go. There we go. This is gold. Gold. Let's go here. Okay. I get rid of this. That way we can make a nice clip for. So here we go. We're trading gold. We got long at 4,398.68. We're looking for the target of 4,406.21 or 31. And we're up $626 coming in to target, making some higher highs and higher lows. We broke a significant level of resistance there at the 44.0223. That was a rejection pivot point. Prices rallied back, broke that strongly on high momentum, high volume or momentum. And we're going to, got a little snap back there. 653. I'll probably move my stop up. No, not that. Ugh. Uh-oh. I'm out. I heard something. There we go. Hit me. Pay me. There we go. There we go. Come on. Really? Really? We're out. Okay. All right. That's good. That was good. That was kind of anticlimactic, but great. We got out. Execution marks. There we go. All right. Yes, we got out there. All right. So we had a buy. We got out. Hey, it looks like it has more room to run, right? We don't have an entry to get back in there. And I don't like entering on green candles. But that was our target, guys. You guys, were you guys, did you guys get some? Did you get some? We check the chat. And how'd you like that gold trade, guys? Show me some love in the chat box, dollar signs, some triple nickels or something. Like, thanks, Jeff. I used to do this in the, I actually did a casino, right? We used to have our currency conferences in casinos, right? How apropos! I never thought about that. That I would do these live trainings, and they would yell "Winner, winner, chicken dinner," and I know as I would smack the market. It's different when you're trading live. We did this and Jeff was with me in Vegas for our mastermind, and we got to trade together. We're trading gold. We're trading all kinds of things. It was really good to meet everyone out here in Vegas and doing some live trading. So that was a nice event. Lisa's in the room. Nice to see you. Yeah, I got lots of pictures from Karen and the night markets. The night markets have fried chicken in Australia. My oh yeah, your birthday. That's right, your birthday's coming up, right? Yeah, you celebrated your birthday with us when we had our mastermind. The Karen's night markets, yes. Yes, I got Yep, Keisha sent me pictures of the night markets, and the food looked pretty tasty. Also, a lot of She went snorkeling. Lots of very cool pictures from the night markets. And like going, you know what? I might just go to Australia just to go to the night markets. I'm like going, you're kidding me. They have food like we have. That's one thing my wife, she does not do foreign travel because she doesn't like the food. I go, you ate there? You ate food? That's interesting. Okay, that's yes, the Great Barrier Reef. Yeah, that's what she did. She I mean, it looks like an aquarium. How beautiful the sea life is. Oh, pull back, pull back. All right, good, 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 good. Oh, are you taking a pullback in gold? Yeah, you would, huh? All right, you know. We got some room left. There's that's not a whole lot. Oh, oh, got paid. Damn. Oh, and the crowd goes wild. I, I'm looking at my phone, getting some pictures out, and I'm like, hey, made money on the downside, and got slipped. Got woohoo! Good call. Good call. Ring the bell on that one. Yeah. Or no, ring the cash register. That was smooth. I mean, it just slipped. I go, that for 38% retracement has not been hit yet. Oh, 618. 618. My goodness. Woohoo. We're bouncing off the 618. You ever tried catching a falling knife? I don't think so. We'll recycle this. What is going on here? It's got to reload everything. Everything has to be reloaded. There's so much stuff going on here. Oh. Oh, there we go. Missed it, huh? Hit the bottom. It's a 618. That's the night market. I'm going, yeah. Don't eat before you go to sleep. It's like, yeah. Well, yes. Fried chicken. Look at that. And then she went scuba diving. There she goes. Okay. Anyway. Oh, let's get paid. There we go. There we go. Ooh, pulling back. Don't take my money. Let's get it. Okay. Air one, beer two. Okay, I'm going to tap it. I'll tap that. Oof, I tapped it too early. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 you later. Come on. Stuff's moving so fast. Got our value zone. There we go. There we go. You know, let's do this thing. Do this thing. And we have our 100% expansion target. Ah, look at that, right? Right. Ooh, that's a sharp 2. Simple 2. It's a simple 2 if we can stay above 43.95.97. This is our come on. Move this line out of the way here. Okay. Bounced hard off the 618. Does it want to go back there again? It's like a dog looking for a bone, sniffing around. I'll tell you what, you need to send a warning shot. Ooh, retouch. Double bottom. Buyer's going to step in here. Another retouch. Okay. Yeah, another touch. Just scratching its back against the 618. It's like, scratch, just keep rubbing the 618. There you go. Like, get out of there, you know? Get out of there. Some shoe, I said. We took a 618 took a lot of hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is on the 1 minute. Let's. Okay. Mr. Buy Arrow, stay. Don't go anywhere. Double bottom, typical target would get us back to break even at least. But if we get more momentum, we could see the old high and beyond. But got to pass this test. We need to get off of the 618. There we go. Oof. All right. You know, start reading something else over here, like a little chat comes through, and you're like going, hey, what about that? And then it starts moving up, right? Short-term dollar strength, I think dollar is moving up. All right, let's take a look. Sean, dollar strength. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of profit. Got back to the high. Okay, keep going. There we go. 618 again. Hit the backside of the trend line. There you go. Oh, no rejection. I was about to click it out too. Buyers probably step in. We have value zone at the 382. Buyers may step in. Small bodied inside day candle usually portends a green candle should be the next candle. Remember, there's decrease in momentum usually leads to a change in price. Still red. And that was so fast. 15-second chart. I want to take a look at the dollar index. I'm going to change the other chart to dollar index. If we can. Let's get rid of this one. This one. Oh, there we go. See, I start doing other stuff, and that starts to move, right? Okay, draw my attention from that. Let's go 420, 404, 420. I'm going to take it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oof. Okay. Oh, okay. I was going to look at. I'm going to make this into the dollar index. Yes. Oh, we do have a little buy on the dollar index, and the dollar index and gold going up at the same time. Pretty interesting combo there, right? But we do have a similar drop as the yen, right? So our dollar yen should be good. USD JPY. Yeah, we're up $300. Oh, we were up $300, right? And now I'm gonna take that. There we go. All right. Dollar again. And let's out to their 15-minute chart. Let's see what we got. 15s hooking up. Gold. Got sell. Oh, this one at one. They'll try to give me more than one. Let's put a stop on this baby so we won't get caught. There we go. Let's see if we can. Maybe this has. Let's see what we do. We're in a range, so it seems like we could sing in the range. The singing in the range. What a glorious feeling. I am happy again. And once I get a big bearish candle here. 15-minute. Let's switch that to gold. 15-minute. And we should be making some money. Whoa. Eyesore. There we go. Remove these settings, zero execution marks. There we go. Let's go.
Sell, sell, sell.
Wow. Oh, you know what? I'm on the wrong time for no wonder this thing doesn't look like it's moving. Ah. Air 1, beer 2. Okay, I'll take $100. Why not? All right. Well, still got some drop going on there. How about pound dollar? How's she doing? Ooh, she's taking a dump. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can. Wow, spread. So that's what. So 1 pip spread. Risk like 3. But it's like a 1-to-1. You need some more out of that. Can we get to the old high at least? Ah, I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. What was our U.S. dollar index? Looking kind of sad. The down move seems to be counter trend, and nothing seems to want to move unless it gets back in trend. Except gold. Gold is still clocking up, huh? We'll come back to the dollar index. Check gold in a downward trend channel. Trend. We get above 44.22. We could see a run back up to 44.80. I'm just going to set an alarm. If it does, we will not miss it. Let's go back to the dollar index. See, nothing's moving because it's not moving. Unless you go to a cross rate. If you go to the cross rates, it might be interesting, like pound Aussie or something like that. We could check those out. Rotate over into the to those other pairs. And check. Yeah, Sean says DXY moving like a turtle. Yeah, I've got a little bit of strength and then sideways consolidation. Usually when you get sideways consolidations, none of the majors are going to move. So you wind up going over to close. And let's now see what it's. No. Okay. All right. Sean, give me 555 in YouTube. Thank you. Man, you're in. Oh, there we go. Ah, now it's starting to turn. Let's. Yeah, pound yen. Ooh, that's ugly. Yeah, that's ever gonna get back there. What Aussie? Okay. Ooh. No love for Aussie right now. Let's look at the higher time frame though. No. And look at that spike up. Like A or 1, B or 2, maybe. Pound Aussie. Cross rates. Yay, cross rates. Not cross dressers, cross rates. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Look how easy that was. You know? Where have you been all my life? Because I'm easy. I'm easy like Sunday morning. Yeah, I'm easy. Okay. Cross rates. These are all the Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie. I'm not an Aussie. Lisa's an Aussie. You're an Aussie. You got Pound Aussie. Aussie Swiss. You got your Vegemite and chocolate. Aussie Swiss. Okay. 15-minute is up. I think we can get somewhere out of this. I think we can. Let's see how much can we get. Almost 1 minute chart. All right. Let's measure that out. So, yeah, like see if it's even worth it. There's 9 pips there, right? Okay. All right. Let's go. Just another friendly neighborhood arrow show us the way back in. We're at the 38% retracement. Oh, 15-second chart. There we go. Long, one spot 9358. There we go. Take profit. Let's get those 9 pips there, right? Let's do this thing. Let's get paid, all right?
Bye.
All right. Let's go. Come on. Pay me. Pay me. Fill my pip bag. Got my bag. A bag of pips. Fill my bag. Let's go. Oh, little pullback. Stochastics coming up. Go up, 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 I say. I said up. Electrical shock. Let's go. No. Air one, beer two. I put another strip on the Barbie. Like, don't you do that. Take that. Bam. No revenge trading. This is a no revenge trading zone. Oh. Come on. Air one, beer two, C. Come on. Oof. 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 Oh. I'm going to hold it. Ooh. I'm going to hold it too long, huh? 618. Rally to the 618. So not fair giving the guy a shot down there. Interjection for excitement, for emotion. Yay! All right. Darn, that's the end. If you remember Schoolhouse Rock, find the video on interjections. I always wanted her to say damn. she says, darn, that's the end, right? I think they redid a comedy one. Where they actually changed the words. Because all of her four-letter words are interjections. They use words like rats, darn, fiddlesticks, fudgesicles. Let's start with F and ends in CK. Fire truck. Fire truck and find out. Tough crowd, tough crowd. Trend line break, color change. Ooh, retest. Can't really see all this. Oh, you know what? I need to take the global settings off so I won't have all the Fibonacci's on my short-term Fibonacci's on a long-term chart. Creates congestion. Let's remove that. Nope. Wrong one. Yep, that's the one. All right. 15-minute chart. This thing should really, really blow up to the north side here. Oh, no sell? No. No, go away. No sell arrows. No sell arrows. Buy arrows only. There we go. Yeah, show the charts who's boss, you know? Here we go. Trend line break, color change, but we have small body dojis. Doji World. One spot 9.357 by 5.9. 2 pips spread. Big spreads on pound Aussie. Historically low compared to what I used to trade when it was like 8 and 9 pip spreads on pound Aussie. It's one of those illiquid currencies. Not a lot of trade between Great Britain and Australia. Means there's not a lot of volume in it. Means it moves fast when it does move. But it moves in fits and starts like having a bad transmission or something. Okay. I said no sell arrows. I mean it. Go away. We're running into some support here. If that support gives away, then I will go away. Right? Not 19335. We're going to go right to it, right? Lower high, higher low. Basically had an indecision, and that's it. I'm out. And that didn't work out. We had a couple of chances to get out of this trade. I don't see anything in the 15-minute chart that tells me to sell. Unless it's stuck. We have, unless that's a fishing expedition, a liquidity sweep, which is what I'm thinking it is, but it's way too. You know what? Cross rate. Well, cross rates are moving. Let's see if it crawls back. Nothing is telling me this should be down here like this. Seems like it should rally back. You know, I'm going to try it again. Oh, the spread's so wide. You think you're getting here, but you're really getting up there, right? But I'm not going to risk anything on like half a wick. Just don't let the spreads widen out on me, though. Oh. If the reasons to enter the trade still exist after you're stopped out, sometimes you have to wait a little bit and wait for some additional confirmation, the shakeout, and re-enter. I think it makes some of it back. A lot of times, market makers will shake up the market so they can make some extra spreads and commissions. Guess what? I got back in, another spread, another commission, and I wasn't the only one that got shook out because the 15-minute chart's telling me the thing's going to go up. Higher highs, higher lows against the channel. The higher time frame is telling me, but I wasn't willing to not have a stop. And I got out. I closed it out, right? About the same spot. Well, if this is our ABC correction, A or 1, B or 2, we just have to stay above my stop for one thing. Supply line. Dollar and pound Aussie usually go in the same direction. Right. Well, this is really, it's It's really fire trucking around here, you know. And I'm getting hosed. But, let us here, close that up. Close this up. And there we go. Pound yen? Are we in pound yen? Are we up? I think we probably stopped out now. Okay. Trend line break, color change, green. Our arrow disappeared. We're already in. Doesn't really matter. You know, the higher time frame is telling us, hey, this is an uptrend. Higher highs and higher lows. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 narrow range bars. Probably no interest in this at all. $104. Another narrow range bar. We're still stuck in a little box. Little tiny little box. Bottom of the box, top of the box. I'm out of here. Oh, okay. Let's dollar index. Oh, okay. Dollar index seems to be going up. So what's going down? The euro? No. Oh, what? We got to break out of the box, right? Oh, snap, right? I'm not chasing it. Wow. 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 Okay. Yeah, I was long pound dollar, and when Trump announced everything, I had just got out, and price just went up like a rocket. Okay. Oh, and then now the euro's dropping, and the dollar index should be rising, right? Yeah, got a little bitty, little help. Any guys in anything? Okay, well, okay. I'm going to chase it, but I'm going to put a stop on the other side. That's a 4 pip stop. Risk 4 to see. I was always looking for that low, but we never ever were able to get that at 114.92. Hey, Columbus sailed the ocean blue, 14.92. That's the one, that 1 hour chart. Okay. You know, Yeah, well, the higher time frame on Pound Aussie, it was right. 15 minutes was pointing up. Everything else was a shakeout. Shakeout to the fake out. We're short euro at one spot 1528. Take profit one spot 1492. You might get out ahead of time because there's support in right at the low at one spot 1519, which is 10 pips. And there is support here. We're approaching it at one spot 12527. Yeah. I don't know. I take my take my profit there, right? Let me get back to the 15-second chart and see if we get a rebound or something from there. Yeah, well, green candle. Would love to see a green. Gold dropped. Yeah, everything is like, there we go. There we got a. You in it, Jeff? In it to win it? Okay, I'm gonna take that. Yeah, you got that little the dollar index doing its thing. Small little candles. Oh, a buy signal right there, right? Higher time frame. Dollar is up. Euro should be back down. Well, let's take a look at gold. I'm going to put a stop loss on this too, but she froze. There. I'm going to install that indicator there. Oof. All right. What? 8 pip. 8 pip. Let's make. Where's the low? The low was. There we go. That's an inverse risk reward. I'll adjust it. One to one. A little bit. Oof. With these weird little divergence. Crazy. Dollar yen. Let's get off this. Okay, I think we broke the trend line with a long wick, though. Ooh. So it got down to 1526. Buyers stepped in, pushed price back up, and Bullish. A red candle didn't do us any good there. I don't know. Dollar index playing with us. I don't know. We have a low, a high, a lower high, but a higher low. So kind of indecision period here. Nothing going on here, right? Okay, I want to bring that stop down. I want to see a nice drop. So you move that stop to break even. There we go. Still not far enough. We need to probably get back to like half, 3/4. Okay. We have now we have higher lows. Let's go dollar index. We move down to a 5-minute chart. Really should be seeing a trend line break. Oh, that's it for us. We're out of there. Stopped out. There you go. I hate that sound. Makes me not want to lose anymore. Remove that. Okay. So what's our count? Oof. Walking 5, air 1, B or 2. It's either 4 or 2, right? That's the alternative count. We won't know until we get outside here. If it's here, then we've got lots of space to go. But this is way too slow. I know Jeff had mentioned that gold had dropped. Let's take a quick look-see over at gold. And that's what happens. You start getting chopped around these currencies, and you got, it wants to go up, wants to go down. Let's jump over to gold. This doesn't like that. Doesn't like that. There we go. We're gold, so we want to go to here. Everything's frozen, chosen. Gold. Okay. Actually, is that still up? Right. Top of the heat map. Yeah, let's take that over there. 5 minutes down. 15 seconds up. Maybe I set up for a reversal. 100% expansion. Hey, well, we let our friends help us get into this trade. All right, sounds good to me. Let's go for the old low. Let's go.
Sell, sell, sell.
We're looking for gold to drop. We got short at 4,394.07. Looking for a move down all the way back to the low. Usually after an ABC equal wave pattern, price comes back to the low. So we would tag this as 3, 4, 5 to the drop. Alternative count. This thing blasts north above 43.96.39. And we get right back to this old level of resistance, 4,407.81. So we have our bearish Gartley ABC pattern. Well, let's see. We see a bearish pattern. However, we put safety belts on. Oh, with a stop loss. Yes, that would help. And I'm just going to, oh, really? It's still to move the stop loss, right? I'm going to give it a little bit of space. With the, it's right. Make it like 1,200, right? That's almost like a 2-to-1 right there. 12 to 40, right? Yeah, okay. All right. On gold. Gold used to be a one-way ticket up, right? Now it's like everything else, has its ups and downs. Asia markets fall, tracking losses on Wall Street as Trump extends Iran strike deadline. You go to some of the message boards when that announcement came out. I was like, shut the up. Why are you opening your mouth? Couldn't you be quiet? It's really funny. Some of the response to go to Forex Factory. Very, very humorous. Ooh. So we go over to a Forex Factory. Oh, stop. I need some of the comments. This is Trump per Iranian government request on pausing energy plant destruction for 10 days. Saying, I'm not going to destroy you for 10 days. Oh, thank you so much, right? And he says, I need him to shut up just for a week. That's why it pumped. Manipulating again. Damn. Oh my God, he won't stop. Dangerous game. He can't shut up. Bro, how many stop losses got hit? Bro, I was in short 43.82. Bro, it's playing with the markets. Did I just save my account? This MF again. Bro. So I just went nuts, right? Well, there we go. Hey, made some money on gold. Short, keep going. All right. Cool. Let me get to a 5-second chart. What do we get? Can we get a rebound? Can I get a rebound? I want to just get back in. All right. Still some. There's the green candle. Oh, no, you don't. 5-second candle, go away. Want to wait for the retracement. There we go. Pay me now. Another green. Oh, this is a 5-second chart. That was too fast. 15 seconds, 5 seconds, a little too fast for me. I trade on a 1-second chart because I have the attention of a fruit fly. Right? No. Okay. 5 minutes showing predictive function north. 5 on the 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute over here, right? That's 5. Oh, I don't see that. I'm seeing new high. Low. $5 maybe. Ooh. Jeff. Okay, well, I'm thinking this. I'm thinking we get a fib retracement to 38, and I think this is what we're going to do. We're just going to. There you go. I took care of your predictive function for you. We script all this stuff out, right? I like thumb apples. Inside day. Don't make my day. I need a big one. Monkey. Big one. No, the other way. Long. That's short. Where's our pattern projection? So 167% expansion target. Oh, well, let's count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a real narrow 5, 4, 5. We're going to see a walking 5. $43.82 needs to be tackled. I'll kill if it crosses the 38% retracement and closes. Then I'll be out of this. If we don't get a bear flag and a drop. The angle of its climbing looks bullish. We want to see a climb maybe like this kind of an angle. This grade is slightly bullish. Okay, we have a lower high. We get a lower low. We break below 4,003.8691. That would be good news for the bears. we would have a bearish head and shoulders and a downtrend, which is pretty powerful stuff. Hard to, I remove all these things. Remove all drawings. Give me my head and shoulders. So we have that bearish head and shoulders and neckline. Got across the neckline. It wants to play. Five minutes, the 15-minute. Oh. Oof. Okay, we're really close. We're gonna close both the shoulder. Small body inside the A candle. Yes. Red candle. Close below. There we go. Neckline, across the neckline. That gives us a, there we go. Our head and shoulder projection target, 43.7826. That's more than I have bargained for. You'd also use Fibonacci projections too. Take that one. Take that one there. Or we can go a little bit lower. Go lower. Whoa, rebound from below the neckline. Right? Oh, the 100% expansion is 4,382.62, which is exactly where my target is, right? Market does little things halfway, half backs, halfway backs, a thirds, 2/3. When we start playing with it a lot, manipulating it a lot, you'll start seeing those patterns that become more. The more you do it, the more. I put that in there. That's exactly what this feature is. The sacred math starts to become part of you. You're part of it. Come on, baby. Drop for Papa. $618. Look right there. And to the 618. Let's take 2/3 off there. And oh yeah, we could do that. Oh, it's gone. I'm not. Oh, in gold, you can't take partial contracts, I guess. Anyway, go. We broke the neckline, close below.
All aboard!
The 846 Money Train is brought to you by Elite Traders University. Elite Traders University. Learn how to be a professional trader in 90 days or less using a proprietary system, the Pip and Run system. There we go. This is fun. Oh, no. That's so not fair. Went from up 300 to like $18. Okay. What was it? Is there old support down here? Something down there? Yeah. Okay. We might see an RTTSC, a return to the scene of the crime. See if price goes back to the trend line and we can hit it. Really, it didn't even try to get to the trend line. That's janky. You know that? You know, you're really making me mad, Mr. Gold. Mr. Gold. Goldfinger. All right. We've got 6 bottles there. I'll finish all of my bottles before 7. We got $10, $5, $1, $4. 43.84 by 43.84.70. The numbers move so fast on gold. I give up trying to read them. We're at about 4,385, 86, 87. We have some big targets. Our 15-minute chart, we still have a 15-minute sell signal and no buyers. No longer-term buyers. There we go. All right. Cool. Let's try to get that next target. Let's see if we can hit that one. No, this gold is a southbound train by all accounts, and our head and shoulders target is up there with that horizontal yellow line, and so we'll look see if we can hit that. Hit me, big one. Oh, it tagged it. It touched it. And I think we are going to take that. That right there. Not bad, huh?
All aboard!
Ah. So, see if will we get it retraced back into the value zone area. Now we got the full touch of that. But that was textbook there. Head and shoulders in a downtrend, measurement objective to the line, and then price extends down there. There's our, okay, we got to buy. I'm not going to take the buy, but we have the 1.618 down here. And there's more. A set of steak knives. And we could get. All right. All right. Let's see. Looking for the axe and 238s. Oh, where did it stop? Well, where did that happen? How'd you do that? Right? Try it again. Oh, got a break. But is it a real break? Or is it a wick? I think we got to put a shot down. 50% retracement. Get with the 50. Tighten that line up. I'm going to hit it. And we're going to take this down to the 1.618. Where'd she go? Right there. 4,376.94. We got short at 43.83. We might have pulled the trigger a little early. We didn't get our buy or sell signal. We should get it. Get it. There we go. Pipping and running, guys. There we go. 239. I'll take that. Look at that. Let's see if we get another 555. Trying to make up for lost time here. Hit me. Let's try that again. Trend line break, color change. Oh, don't you dare. Don't you dare go up there. There we go. Big one. Monkey. Big one. Hit me. Pay me. Friday night. Let's get paid. Let's get paid. Ooh, right into the zone. All right. This could be A or 1B or 2. I will abandon ship if we break 43.85, but I'll be prepared to get long because this would go way up there. All right. Well, let's see if this is just a little liquidity operation, a little shake and bake as we approach the 9 o'clock hour. Love to end this week with a winning trade. Whoa, dollar yen is sinking. Now we got down to 59.50 on dollar yen. All right, got the Another confirming sell arrow. Let's go.
Sell, sell, sell.
Sideways, but we're getting some traction with some lower swing highs and lower swing lows. We do have lower highs but higher lows, so we have kind of a triangle, the Bermuda Triangle, the triangle of indecision. Right, so we need to break out of this triangle. So higher lows, lower highs forms a triangle. It's like a question mark at the end of a sentence. Am I going up or am I going down? Which way are we going? Question mark. Right. Higher time frame says it should drop. $43, $80, $92. And we got south side break. All right. There we go. If we get back to the low, we have a double bottom. That'd be pretty cool right there too. Even though it's 15-second chart, this is a significant level, and then the prices start toying around there. Look right there, right? 186. Come on. Bam. All right. Oh, there we go. The 1.618. It hit it. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you, baby. We're bullish against the wick. This pulled the trigger a little bit late. Yeah, I thought we were gonna get a there we go. There we go. Come on. Air one, beer two, C or three later. Let's do this thing. Yes. Yes. Baby. Bam. Oh, yes. Bam. There we go. There we go. Got slipped too. That's how we end it. That's how we tip and run. Look at that, bad boy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me here for our session here. And if you, for those of you who are on YouTube, visit our website, Elite Traders University. Sign up for our free masterclass, 4 Pillars to 6 Figures, and see how the pip and run system works. You guys have a great weekend. It's been so good having you here, and we'll talk to you later. Peace and pips. Cheers. Thank you, Lisa. Have a great weekend. Bye, Steve. Bye, Sean. You're welcome, John. Later, Jeff. All right, YouTubers, it's just me and you, right? Or we dismissed our VIPs, and until I want to personally invite you to Elite Traders University, we're having a $50 to $15,000 challenge. It's a beautiful challenge, just 127 bucks. I'm going to give you my special compounding sheet. Our our compounding sheet, $50 for 15,000 bucks, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be we're gonna do that challenge, or it's gonna be a week. It's gonna be ongoing, but there's gonna be videos on risk management, videos on scaling your accounts, and pyramiding your profits. If you are interested, type in 50 in the chat box and let me know that you want to participate in our $50,000 to $15,000 challenge. Okay. We'll see you soon. It starts in April. Talk to you later. Peace and pips.